Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tinan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. I'm sensing Chariot, so we have this one. I feel na may gustong sabihin sa iyo yung Panginoon, and we also have this, okay? So God is wanting you, the reason kung bakit stagnant yung iyong career, dahil meron tao na may crab mentality issue, and this is a cause of your stagnancy with regards to your career. We have the forgive in reverse, and we also have more. So yung ibang tao na yan, maybe may nagawa kang kasalanan dati, at until now, this person didn't forgive you. Kaya with the more being here, ibig sabihin lang nun, feeling niya hindi pa sapat yung kanyang revenge sa'yo. Kaya until now, itong tao na to, tatay niya maging stagnant yung buhay, at hindi niya hayaan na mag-grow ka. I mean, in a sense, with the justice in reverse, I feel like itong tao na to, iniisip niya na hindi makatarungan yung ginawa mo sa kanya. We have the joke. We also have the forget, okay? So, I feel like with the joke being here, so maybe nagalit siya dahil nag-joke ka sa kanya, and hindi niya makalimutan yung masama mong ginawa. Let's see what else do we have here. So, we have this one. We have this. Okay. You don't have to worry kasi with regards sa yung career, aangat ka. Okay? Even if I feel like on some point of your life, ginawa ka niyang ganito na stagnant, pero I feel like sa ngayon, hindi na epekto yun kasi aangat ka na. Kasi I feel like with the justice in reverse, so if ever you did something wrong to this person, I would say na sinasabi ng Panginoon na hindi ka magkakaroon ng karma. Kasi first of all, yung tao na nagawan mo ng mali, nag-revenge, okay? Pinarusahan ka niya. So, for God, tapos na yung pagdurusa mo sa taong ito na nag-betray sa'yo, nag-revenge. Okay, so wala kang dapat ikaalala sa career. Kasi I feel like with this one here, I feel like you learned your lesson. If ever you did something wrong, napatawad ka na rin ng Panginoon, at kasi napagbayaran mo yung kasalanan mo dahil nga nag-revenge itong tao na to. And yun nga, angat ka na with regards sa career, which is nice, okay? So anyway, that's it guys, and God bless all of you.